In this demo, we're going to take a quick tour of matter management in the LawVu Legal Workspace. We'll be able to see how it helps you bring all of your work together in one place and manage things more efficiently. So before we start, I need to let you know that matter management is the foundation of the workspace, and it's a pretty big topic to cover in a short amount of time. So if you like what you see here, make sure you book a customized demo so you can get all the details you need to assess whether LawVu will work well for your team. This is the LawVu Legal Workspace. On the left-hand side, you can see that the workspace has the option of integrated contract lifecycle management and spend management with e-billing. We'll just focus on internal matter management, which is available as a standalone tool. When you use matter management, you create a central repository and workflow management tool for all your legal work, as well as a knowledge base that you can use to store things like templates, policies, advice, and instructions. Visual, easy-to-use dashboards and reporting are available out of the box, and we also have a whole bunch of out-of-the-box integrations. And there's more, which we're about to dive into. So let's focus our attention on what we call the Matters Grid. This is a great way to see the repository that we've created in LawVu. All of our matters are here. There's key information for every single one of them, like status, type of work, risk and priority, the department that we're doing the work for. There's sort of an endless amount of fields that you can choose to track and work with. At LawVu, we believe that matter management needs to support all of your legal work. Internal requests, litigation, projects, centralized compliance tracking, all of it. Because LawVu is built specifically for in-house teams, there are default configurations that make it easy to get started. But it's worth knowing that you can easily make LawVu reflect your business and your ways of working. All right, so let me show you a few great ways to navigate and use the repository to get stuff done. Many customers create what we call custom views. You can see these on the left-hand side. For example, these are all the active litigation matters in the system. Now let's imagine I'm going out on leave. I'll simply add a useful piece of information like due date, filter down to a specific type of matter, and save the view. I can even share it with colleagues to handle stuff while I'm out. There's also an intake queue where matters land if they haven't been assigned to anyone or you haven't set up automatic routing. Next, let's look at the hub. This is a personalized view of your workspace. I have quick access to things I've been working on and things that need my attention. I can also add those custom views to stay on top of things I care about. So, for example, I'll add a tailored list of high-risk matters. And last, but definitely not least, full-text search is one of the things our customers love the most about LawVu, because hunting around for important information in disparate places is a huge time waster. We're also introducing AI-powered natural language search and prompts. This is great for getting to specific items and getting specific answers, even if you're not sure what you're looking for. All right, now we're back at the hub. So let's quickly take a look at how all this great information gets into LawVu in the first place. People who work in LawVu day in and day out often create matters directly from LawVu. Forms like this make it really easy to get the structured data that you need in the system. Another super popular option is one of our email add-ins. This is the Outlook add-in. It works just like that structured form. But in this case, you even have the option to save all of the email correspondence in your workspace and automatically add attachments. There are also integrations with Gmail, Slack, Teams, and Salesforce. So there's a ton of flexibility, which is important to ensure that you're able to create and maintain your source of truth without disrupting the way people work. I need to show you one more very useful intake experience, the LawVu Business Portal. There's a whole demo video about this, so please have a look at that if you're interested. Because being able to create customized, easy-to-use intake and collaboration portals for the business is a game changer for so many of our customers. This is a preview of what our business users will see when they come to our portal. I'll close it and we can see the admin view. Basically, you can brand and customize the portal to promote self-service and let your internal clients raise requests with forms like the ones we saw earlier. So you get the data you need to triage work and reduce back and forth. Now we'll take a deeper look at the way you can manage individual matters. Here I am at the hub, and I'll open this litigation matter. We can see how robust and useful the system is for workflow management, document management, and reducing admin overhead. There's valuable information about the matter stored here, and we saw earlier how that information is going to show up later in our matter grids, search, and reporting. There are ways to track and automatically drive tasks forward so things can get done with more efficiency. You can even create task templates to standardize ways of working. And you can securely collaborate right in the context of the matter with conversations and status updates. Now, this part's really important. You can store and organize documents because LawVu Matter Management includes embedded document management capabilities. That includes the ability to store, organize, and search emails and their attachments. This is a view of the people who are involved in the matter. We call them matter members. And you can see that it's possible to control access, so you get the benefits of secure collaboration without worrying about who can see what. I'm going to end this demo on one last consolidated view of our work, out-of-the-box matter management reporting and dashboards. This is a great way to understand your workload, communicate the value of your work, and bring data to the business conversations that you need to have. There's a short demo available if you want to learn more about reporting and insights. I hope you enjoyed your tour of LawVu's matter management capabilities. We covered a lot. Matter management as a single source of truth and information repository, workflow management and automation, embedded document and knowledge management, and intake, integrations, and the business portal. And last but not least, reporting and dashboards. Even with all of that information, you probably have at least a few more questions. So please book your customized demo, and our team will be happy to answer them for you. You can also grab a copy of our guide, 5 Steps to Better Matter Management, anytime.